18, we're going to need the beaver to move over to get closer to the, what is this? The spaces that need to be filled. Now, a lot of people like to do move 2 times, 1, 2, then we start our pattern. So the pattern is going to be to drop 2 and then move over 1. Now look what happens at number 18. That repeat just says 1. A lot of people get stuck because they put it on, and then when it doesn't fill, they just keep adding more blocks. But really, you just need this to say 5, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. So I'm going to have the beaver move 2, 1, 2. Now what do I want the beaver to do 5 times? Well, we're going to first drop 2, because I've got the beaver right there. And then after the beaver drops those 2, the beaver needs to move over 1. So I'm going to put a move over 1. So this is what the beaver is doing 5 times. And this is just to get the beaver to the spot where the spaces need to be filled. Let's see what happens when I run this. Okay, it works. Now, I'm pretty sure I'm only going to get 2 stars for this, which is okay. If you're okay with 2 stars, because 2 stars are absolutely okay, you can move on. If you want to see how to get that 3rd star, keep watching. So it says try using 6 blocks or less. So the stars, getting 2 stars means you filled the dam or completed the activity, you solved the problem that they give you, and you used the skills they want you to work on. We're working on loops. I did it with a loop. 3 stars means you did it with the fewest number of blocks possible. In this case, there's another way. And whoop, I went back. Hang on, I'm going to go back. That was number 17? Nope. Number 18? All right, and I can put my solution back. Well, now you see the other way. Here's what I had. So I had this, move 2, and then drop, drop, move. If I want to cut this down to fewer blocks, here's the thing. I only need to have the beaver move 1 time if in my loop, instead of starting with drop, we start with move. So this says move over 1, and then 5 times you're going to move, drop, drop. So watch, it'll work just as well. And once it starts going, we know we're good to go. A lot of times, if you get that, it's probably something like this. Could you change the order of your steps to use fewer blocks? It's totally okay to get 2 stars and move on, and you shouldn't torture yourself trying to get 3. But here's how you could get 3 on this one if you wanted to. And it gives you a strategy to look for in the future.